Seventh problem. The mean weight of 60 students of a class is 52.75 kgs. If the mean weight of 25 of them is 51 kgs, find the mean weight of the remaining students. Solution given. What is given means mean weight of 60 students. How much they have given? 52.75 kgs. The meaning of this is, we know the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n. Mean they only gave. Mean how much they have given means 52.75 is equal to sigma xi we don't know. Number of students is 60. So multiply, cross multiply. Sigma xi is equal to 52.75 into 60. Easy method is 50 decimal will come front, 527.5 into 6, because 1 0 is there, so 1 decimal it will move front, 527 point that much. So now multiply, you will get 527.5 into 6, 30, 0, 3, 42, 45, 4, 12, 16, 1, 31. After one digit you keep decimal. So what is the answer means? How much you got? 3,165 kgs. This is the total weight of 60 students, 3,165. Now next we are going to find the mean weight of 25 students. Next they have given mean weight of 25 students. 25 students. How much they have given? 51 kgs they have given. We know the formula for mean. Mean is equal to sigma xi by n. Mean they have given 51. Here sigma xi and the number of students here is 25. So sigma xi is equal to 51 into 25. Multiply. 51 into 25. 125 is 25. 2 remaining. 25 5s are 125. So 1,275 kgs. Now they are asking what? They are asking to find the. They are asking to find the mean of the remaining. So remaining. Now we got. So mean of the remaining students. How many students are remaining? First we will find remaining students. Remaining students is equal to, in 60 minus 25. 60 students minus 25 students. Remaining students are 35 students. Are you able to follow? Now subtract. We got first mean. How much we got? We are going to find mean here. Mean we are going to find. mean of 35 students is equal to 3165 minus 1275. Subtract. If you subtract 3000 3165 minus 1275. 0, here 9, 8, here 10 minus 8, and here 1. So now we got as 1890. Now mean weight of 35 students, remaining are 35 only, no? 35 students is equal to 1890 by 35. 5 table goes, 5 sevens are, 5 table goes, 5 threes are 15, 3 remaining, 5 sevens are 35, 4 remaining, 5 eights are 40. With 7 you divide. 7 fives are 35, 2 remaining. 7 fours are 28. So 54 kgs. The mean weight of remaining 35 students is equal to 54 kgs. Eighth problem. The mean of 5 numbers is 18. On excluding one number, the mean becomes 16. Find the excluded number. So, solution: given mean of 5 numbers is 18. Meaning is, mean formula we know, sigma xi by n. Mean they have given 18. 18 is equal to sigma xi by number, total number is 5. So sigma xi is equal to 18 into 5. How much? 90. Sigma xi we got 90. Next they are telling on excluding means removing means minus one number. Out of 5 numbers, one number is excluded. How many numbers will be there? And they have given the mean, and excluding one number, the mean is 16. Now mean formula we know, mean is equal to sigma xi by n. Able to follow? That implies mean they have given 16. 16 is equal to sigma xi by 1 is excluded now. Out of 5, 1 is excluded means 4 will be there. Now sigma xi is equal to 16 into 4. 16 into 4 how much? 64. Are you able to follow? Now they are asking excluded number. How to find the excluded number means subtract from the first total minus the second total. So the excluded number is equal to, the excluded number is equal to 90 minus 64, that is equal to 26. If you subtract, you will get 90 minus 64 is equal to 26. Therefore, the excluded number is 26. Ninth problem. The ages of 40 students of a group are given below. They have given the table in horizontal way. We have to do in vertical. Age they have given in years. 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years, 16 years, 17 years. And the number of students. 12 years, 6 are there. 13 years, 8 are there. 14 years, 5 are there. 15 years, 7 are there. 16 years, 9 are there. And 17 years, 5 are there. Find the mean age of the group. In this group, we are going to find mean. They are asking to find the mean. So, solution given. What they have given? They have given age. Age. That too in years they have given. First column. Next, they have given number of students. Number of students they have given. Second column. This is called frequency. And we represent age as xi, particular class. And this is frequency, I means class. Now, 12 years, how many are there? 6 are there. 13 years, how many are there? 8 are there. 14 years, how many are there? 5 are there. 15 years, how many are there? 7 are there. 16 years, how many are there? 9 are there. And last, 17 years, how many are there? 17 years, 5 are there. Check. 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 5. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now, the third column, what is the third column means? You have to multiply fi into xi. You have to multiply. So, be careful in multiplication. So many will do wrong here on. So, be careful. 12, 6 are 72. Write clearly 72. 13, 8s are how much? 104. 104. 8 3s are 24. 4, 2, 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 14, 5s are 70. See the digits, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. While writing itself, you have to be careful. 15 sevens are 105. 35, 3, 7 plus 3, 10. So, 105. Be careful in writing digits. Next, 16 nines are 144. 9 6 are 54. 4, 5, 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Next, 17 5s are 85. 7 5s are 35. 5, 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now, add all this. Sigma fi. Sigma fi. Add. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 plus 6 is 40. Why I made it to add means checking. 40 students should come here. This is 40 students. One way of checking whether we wrote correct or not. Next, 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 15, 20, 0, 2 here. 2. 10, 14, 21, 28. Here 8. Again here 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. 508. What is this one? Sigma fi xi is equal to. Now mean formula. mean is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is equal to 580 by 40. 0 0 get cancelled. 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 1 remaining. 4 fours are 16. 2 remaining. Decimal. 2 0. 4 fives are 20. So 14.5 years. What is this one? Mean age of the group. Therefore the mean age of the group is equal to how much? Is 14.5 years. This is the conclusion. In this way you have to do the problem. 12th problem. The following table gives the wages of different categories of workers in a factory. First bit they are asking to calculate mean wage, and the second bit is if the number of workers in each category is doubled, what would be the new mean wage? Here the categories are there: A category, B category, C category, D category, E category, F category, G category. In A category, the wage is 250 rupees per day, and the numbers of workers are 2. Like that, they have given B 300, 4 are there. In C 350, 8 are there. In D 400 rupees, 12 are there. In E 450, 10 are there. In F category, 500 rupees per day, 6 are there. In G category, rupees 558 are there. Now they are asking to find mean average. This is xi and this is fi. Now we are going to multiply xi into fi into xi. Fi into xi product. So be careful in multiplication. Extend one more column. Fi into xi. 250 into 2 is 500. Write clearly. 3 4s are 12 and 2 zeros 1200. So 1200 write clearly. Next. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. 0 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. Are you able to follow? Once again. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. 0 4 remaining. 24 plus 4 28. 4 12s are 48 and 2 zeros. 48 and 2 zeros. Multiplication you have to be very careful. 450 into 10. 10 table is very easy. So just adding one more zero. 4500. 5 6 are 30 and 2 more zeros. So 3000. Next. 5 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. 0 4. Again 8 5s are 40. So 44. 4400. Now add sigma fi. Total. Sigma means total. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 2 16. 16 plus 8 24. 24 plus 4 28. 28 plus 2 30. 0 3. 3 plus 1 4 5. So 50 we got. Now 50 we got. In question they did not give, no, just they gave categories workers, they did not give the number, so 50 we got. Now add all zeros only. Next one also, in ones place 0, tens place also 0. Now hundreds place, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 8 25, 25 plus 27, 27 32, here 2 and here 3, 7 10 14 18 20 21. This is sigma Fi xi is equal to, we got this much. Now come to the formula. What is the formula? Mean is equal to sigma Fi xi by sigma Fi, that is equal to 21,200 by how much? 50. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 table. 5 4s are 20. 1 remaining 12. 5 2s are 10. Again 2 remaining. 5 4s are, so rupees 424. What? Mean wage. Therefore mean wage is equal to rupees 424. Now second bit they are asking, if the number of workers in each category is doubled, then what? Multiply into 2 into 2. Second bit, on doubling the number of workers, in each category, they are asking to find mean wage. Now on doubling the each worker, how many workers are there? Sigma Fi 50 are there, into 2, how much it becomes? 100. Number of workers, so total number of workers after doubling, total number of workers, how many? 100 came. Now sigma Fi xi, how much we got before? 21,200. Doubling means into 2, so this is rupees 442,400. So this is the total amount. Now new mean wage, same formula, sigma Fi xi by sigma xi, how much? 42,400 by 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. The same answer came because both sides doubling on, no, we got. Therefore new mean is equal to rupees 424. Before also we got the same, now also we got the same. 15th problem. Find the numerical value of x if the mean of the following frequency distribution is 12.58. Here they have given the frequency distribution table and they have given the variety here, and here they have given the frequency. For 5 2, for 8 5, for 10 8, for 12 22. Here x is there, We have to find the numerical value of this x. But they gave 7 for 24 and 25. 2 are there. This is xi, particular class, frequency. Now f into fi into xi. We are going to multiply. Be careful. Nicely multiply. Be careful in multiplication. Writing the digits in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and be careful in addition also. 5 twos 10. Simple, very easy. 8 fives are 40. Still more easy. 10 eights are 80. Very simple. Now 12 22s. 12 twos are 24. 4 you write. 2 remaining. Again 12 twos 24. 25, 26. So be careful. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. X into 7, 7x. 7 into x, 7x. X 7 don't write. Meaningless. Next, 24s are 80. Next, 25 twos 50. This is the unknown. So don't add. We don't know the perfect number. 7 into how much we don't know. So here add sigma fi. Add 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 2 15. 15 plus 8 23. 23 28 30. 0 3 here. 3 4 5. So sigma fi total we got total frequency 50. Coming to here 4 you write. 5 plus 8 is 13. Don't add this one. Should not add unknown. 13 jump. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 and 8 is 27. 27 plus 4 31. 32. 2 here. 3 3 4 5 524 plus 7x. This you have to write separately. Can't add. So sigma fi xi. How much you got? So sigma fi you got as 524 plus 7x. Now find mean. What is the formula for mean? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Mean they have given in the problem. 12.58 is equal to 524 plus 7x divided by 50. Cross multiply. 12.58 into 50 is equal to 524 plus 7x. With 0 you are multiplying, it becomes 125.8 into 5. 5 table everybody knows. So 524 plus 7x. Do carefully. If you multiply, 5 8s are 40, 0, decimal 4 will be there, 5 5 is 25, 20, 5 5 are 25 plus 4, 29, 9. Next, 2 remaining, 10, 12, again 1 remaining, 6 is equal to 524 plus 7x. Now bring 629 minus 524 is equal to 7x. Subtract. 7x is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. 7x is equal to 105. X is equal to how much? 105 by 7. 7 how many times goes? 7 ones are 7. 3 remaining, 7 5s are. So how much you got? Therefore, x is equal to 15. So they told to find the numerical value of x. We got x as 15. Here we got 15. Write clearly. Do the multiplications and everything properly. 16th problem. Using shortcut method. Which method? Shortcut method. Compute the mean height from the following distribution. They have given height in centimeters and the number of plants. 58 centimeters. Plants, how many are there? Means 15. 60 centimeters, 14. 62 centimeters, 20. 65 centimeters, 18. 66 centimeters, 8. 68 centimeters, 5. Now they are asking to do shortcut method. We always want shortcuts to get more marks. So please listen carefully. Same problem, mean we can do in that method or this method. When they ask particularly shortcut method, you have to do this method only. Out of these heights, assume any one as A. Anything. If you want first, second, third, fourth, fifth or sixth. I am thinking this as, what is A? Think, let A be the assumed mean. We are not telling correct, we are just assuming as if it is mean. So that is the meaning of A, assumed mean. Now here, one more column, DI. DI formula is xi minus A. What is xi minus A means? We have to do little bit working here, small working. Xi means we know height in centimeters given. So A is this one. 58 minus 65 is minus 7. Next 60 minus 65 is minus 5. 62 minus 65 is minus 3. 65 minus 65 is 0. 66 minus 65 is 1. 68 minus 65 is 3. 3. Now, one more column we are going to add. What is this? Means easy method of multiplication. Instead of taking big, large numbers, easy numbers. Now, fi into di. You are going to multiply with this one. Before we multiplied, it is mean method. But we are deviating. D. So, easy method. Plus into minus, minus. 15 sevens. 5 sevens, 35, 3, 105. Next, plus into minus, minus. 14 5s, 70. Plus into minus, minus. 23, 60. 18 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. 5 threes are 15. First add these three negatives. Negative numbers. Here 5, 13, 3 and here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 235. Add these positives. Plus 23. Now simplify and write sigma fi di. Simplify and write 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And here 2 is there, 2. And negative is more, keep minus. Minus 212 you got. And add sigma fi. Sigma fi. Total frequency. Sigma means total. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 25, 30. 0. Here 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 80 you got. 80. So this is total frequency. Now we are going to find mean. Mean formula. What is the formula for mean? Here I write clearly. Now they told to find mean in shortcut method. The formula changes. In shortcut method, the formula of mean is equal to A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Already A, I told you, assumed mean we thought 65 plus we got here minus 212 by total we got 80. Simplify. 65 plus into minus. Minus. When you simplify, 2.65 will come. That is equal to, if you subtract, 62.35. This is the mean. This is the mean height. Mean height in centimeters. Mean height. Mean height they told to find. Mean height is equal to 62.35 centimeters.